West Memphis is a town that's about 5 to 10 minutes away from downtown Memphis, Tennessee. It is on the other side of the Mississippi River, so it is in Arkansas. And in this video, I show you the misery that is West Memphis, Arkansas. But first, we gotta get there. Most people that have heard of West Memphis, Arkansas may have likely heard of the city from an infamous triple murder of 3 8-year-old boys. I don't want to spend too much time talking about that, as this video is more so to inform you about what the city is like to live in the year 2020. However, this story is like a big dark cloud that hovers over West Memphis. It was a horrible situation for the city that happened in 1994, and to this day it is still unclear who is responsible for the murders. To the families of the victims of the 3 boys, you are not forgotten, and we are all rooting for your justice. I have attached links to more detailed videos on the matter in my description of this video. West Memphis, Arkansas has an average household income of $31,000 a year. Anywhere that you find low average incomes like that, you already know that good jobs are hard to come by for that area. One reason that good jobs might not be available here often might be the reason that of the city's population 25 and over, only 15% have a bachelor's degree. The unemployment rate for the city is 4.6% pre-coronavirus recession, and 27.8% of people that live here are in poverty. Property values in West Memphis are some of the lowest that you'll find in the entire state of Arkansas. Keep in mind that if the property values are some of the lowest that you'll find in Arkansas, that means that they're some of the worst that you'll see in the entire country, as 17% of the people in the state of Arkansas are living in poverty, and it is one of the 5 poorest states in the country. This is the public high school in town, the Academies of West Memphis. Pretty nice football field at least, home to the Blue Devils. I wish I could say that the public school system is doing well here, but test scores have gone down in at least 3 consecutive years, and it now ranks near the bottom in the state. At least the graduation rates remain around the nation average. West Memphis consistently ranks as one of the most dangerous cities in Arkansas, along with Pine Bluff and Little Rock. West Memphis has a violent crime rate of 1,900 for every 100,000 residents and a property crime rate of 5,100 for every 100,000 residents. The average violent crime rate nationally is 382 per 100,000 residents, while the average property crime rate is 2,362 for every 100,000 residents. Unlike most cities that experience high crime and poverty rates, West Memphis hasn't lost too many people. That trend might be changing, however, as the population peaked at 28,000 residents in 1990, and the population decrease percentages have increased every year since then. The city is estimated to have 24,000 residents in 2020, and since it's an estimate, you can probably figure that this is before the 2020 census has been released. Now that we're off the main drag and into the residential blocks, you can give the property values of West Memphis the eye test. If you do need to move to West Memphis, I would look for a place to live in either the northeast or northwest quadrant of the city. We are currently in the southeast quadrant of West Memphis. I don't know if locals refer to sections of their city as quadrants, but that's the best way that I can put it. This school is called Wonder Elementary School. It is on the far southeast side of the city. Currently, we are in the northeast quadrant of the city where you can see that the property values are a little bit higher and the neighborhood looks a little bit nicer. This is Weaver Elementary School on the right. Well, that was West Memphis, Arkansas in a nutshell. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!